and ions in the ionosphere that radio waves can interact with. HARP radio waves heat the electrons and create a small perturbations that are similar to the kinds of interactions that happen in nature. Natural phenomena are random and often difficult to observe. With HARP, scientists can control when and where the perturbations. Damn. I know how to read. World domination, right? So they can measure their effect. In addition, they can repeat experiments to confirm the measurements really show what the researchers think they do. Okay, so I think it's really that they can repeat the experiments. It was used by the Air Force and Navy, research physical and electrical properties of Earth's ionosphere, which could affect our military and civilian communication navigation systems. Interesting. That doesn't really say much for me, but I hope we have now all learned some things. And I love how I just didn't read on, and Coffee, I super appreciate that you pulled up what ionosphere means. Now I'm trying to imagine the spheres, because it sounds like there are multiple spheres in. I wonder if the ionosphere is part of the atmosphere, like how we're part of a larger galaxy, like our universe is part of a larger galaxy, and then there are multiple galaxies. Like, we are tiny, insignificant, particles in the huge scheme of things, just tiny little particles. All right, so enough of that. I want to get to our hardcore world so we can actually see what is going on, and you guys don't have to listen to me talk about all sorts of nutty things. So last time on Hardcore Minecraft, we set up a spot in a flower forest because it's fucking gorgeous. Got set up with some iron. Sorry. Haven't you seen Men in Black or Galaxy rests inside an orb in a cat collar? Coffee, you're right. And back. Oh, you should have. I'm surprised you didn't give it longer. But Megan, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Where is that stupid growling coming from? What was that cat's name again? That cat had a specific name too. Are you guys having babies over here? Inappropriate. I got a phone call, so I'm awake now. Oh. What kind of phone call? Was it a good phone call? I hope it was. Don't remember. Yeah. It's just crazy how big, is the universe the whole thing, or is it... I don't know. Our solar system is within a galaxy. And I don't know if galaxies are within one another, if there's mini galaxies, I don't know. So many questions. I have so many questions. Hello, sir. I would just like to trap some of your friends in their homes. Please, sir. Go inside. Oh, I think it's getting to be, dark a little bit. Perfect. Where is that zombie noise coming from? I am losing my mind. I swear. Nope, not a go no. Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry. Lock everyone in their homes so I can keep you. Underground somewhere? It has to be. Now I hear a spider. Alright. Ignore that spider. Get out of that spider's way. Ow! Ooh. I don't know why I fight, I just run. That is what I choose to do, I just run. Put my bed down and sleep. No, I want to sleep though. Let me sleep. Underground somewhere. Well, now they're not underground. And I am scared. Just let me sleep. I don't have a bow. Monster, look up Hoag's Galaxy. Interesting. Interesting. I might now, just because we're stuck not being able to sleep. Excuse me, I would like to sleep now. Or I'll look it up on my phone. Let's see what Hoag's Galaxy is. Hoag's Galaxy. Are you gonna melt my brain, Coffee? Oh, it's Hoag's Object. Hoag's Object is a non-typical galaxy of the type known as a ring galaxy. The galaxy is named after Arthur Hoag, who discovered it in 1950 and identified it as either a planetary nebula or a peculiar galaxy with 8 billion stars spawning roughly 100,000 light years. Fucking, how do they measure this? Like, how do they measure any of this? I'm so... Age? The age is 12.75 billion years. The radius, like, is 60,500 years. And distance to Earth is 612.8 million light years. What is that? Hoag's Object is a galaxy within a galaxy. I don't even know how to process any of this. Like, I need to watch some, like, Nat Geo or something like that. Too many questions. Too many questions. Yeah. Alright. So. We have... What is this guy over here? Do you guys see what I see? Oh, I think it's just a... I think it's just a guy. Like a skeleton under a tree. Yeah. I can answer them all, but they're coming too quickly. Just look it up. Huh. Alright. Let's take this wheat. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. I wonder if we can get some quick iron. I want to kill some fish while I'm here to get that cat. And I would also like to get an axolotl. Alright, well that does no help. Excuse me, sir. I am trying to avoid you at all costs. Okay. Okay. Let us... Oh, why is it so dark? Swim up! Alright, so apparently it's deep over here. Good to know, good to know. Oh, but we've gotten 2 fish. So we're closer to a cat. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll leave you a lurk. I'll talk with y'all later. Oh, thank you for stopping in and hanging out. I super appreciate it. That's what he said. I don't even know what you're talking about, Polly. Ah, haha. Come on. Why am I so shitty at killing things? I am just so bad at this. Alright. How? How do I... How am I missing this? Alright. Alright, I have 4. If this cat doesn't love me after 4...